Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into the stunning beauty of Bohinj, a hidden gem in Slovenia, surrounded by majestic mountains and crystal clear lakes. Our first stop is Lake Bohinj. Nestled right in the heart of the Julian Alps, this lake is a pure natural wonder. The water is so clear, it's like a mirror reflecting the towering Triglav mountains. Just look at that view, it's absolutely breathtaking. The lake is wrapped in lush forests and meadows full of wildflowers, making it the perfect escape into nature. You can almost feel the tranquility here. The air is so crisp and fresh, scented with pine. Every moment here feels like stepping into a peaceful, timeless world. Next, we're visiting St. John's Church, a historic treasure dating back to the 13th century. It's right by the lake, and you can't miss its iconic medieval frescoes. The church stands next to this beautiful old stone bridge over the Savaka Waterfall River. It's like something out of a postcard. This place is more than just a church. It's a symbol of the deep traditions and rich history of the region. It really gives you a sense of the timeless culture that thrives here. And now, let's talk waterfalls. Bohinj is home to some of the most stunning waterfalls you'll ever see. The most famous is Savaka Waterfall, a breathtaking 78-meter drop into an emerald pool. It's hidden away in a lush forest, and the hike to get here is so worth it. The views of the mountains and the Bohinj Valley along the way are incredible. There's something magical about the roar of the water and the mist that fills the air. You can really feel the power and beauty of nature here. Remember, travel is the only thing you buy that makes you richer in ways money can't measure. Bohinj has definitely filled my soul with its beauty. I can't wait to share more about the amazing cities in Slovenia, so stay tuned for the next video.